Jorts.
Filming space.
What?
Production design is my passion.
Hi, puppy.
Hi, Bubby.
Oh, Bubby! He's so happy.
3,
Hike now. Hot girl summer.
3, 2, 1. What's up, guys?
Andrew, you have to do it with us.
What's up, guys?
Welcome to our video. We are just gonna do a nice little Q&A. It's been a while since we've answered some questions, so we figured we'd catch up with you guys. You know how it is. I went over to my Instagram and I asked you guys on my story to give us some questions and topics to talk about.
Good Andrew!
He doesn't like me.
He said nah.
He said, psych nah.
He doesn't like you, he loves you.
He hates me.
Oh, before we start the video, we should go over the basics that we always get asked. So can we say our ages?
I'm Ashley and I'm 20.
I'm Amber and I'm 18.
I'm Andrew and I'm 16.
And we're all half Korean, half white. Nice job, guys. Dab me up, brother. Yeah! Let's like,
What's the
answer
question?
some questions.
What's your favorite bagel flavor?
My favorite is probably everything bagel or cinnamon sugar.
Mine is blueberry.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Yuck.
I wrote down the best ones.
Boring.
Boring.
Ask like deep ones. Like, what's the hardest thing you've gone through in your life?
No, we just
High
started the
school.
video. You're not
Middle school.
First
Elementary.
grade.
A wall.
Let's go. A wall. What's the hardest thing you've gone through? A wall.
If you were to go to a coffee shop or like a
What am I getting? Really strong coffee with condensed milk.
I would probably just get a nice
With
coffee.
Wait.
condensed milk.
That's Vietnamese coffee. Matcha latte with soy milk. You didn't even answer yours.
I said iced coffee.
You're
Boring.
so basic.
Hazelnut.
Oh no, I would get hazelnut.
with almond milk.
Yes, Andrew knows my
Oh my
order.
god.
A lot of our viewers are Filipino and Ashley's boyfriend is Filipino. So someone asked, what is our favorite Filipino food?
Mine is
Spam.
probably turon, which is it's like the lumpia but with like a plantain inside of it.
Oh, I was just gonna say lumpia.
Spam.
Charles's favorite Filipino food is sinigang. Oh, we
I
love
thought that was a-
pandesal.
Yeah, we made pandesal.
Yeah.
What?
Pandesal. Then, what's our favorite Korean food?
Mine
Bulgogi.
used to be bulgogi. I would say mine's japchae though, or just
Chop.
gimbap.
Chop.
Japchae?
Japchae.
Chop. Che.
Mine is whatever Andrew said the one time, the New Year's Day
That's
soup.
duck.
I like the New Year's Day soup. Do you guys have any memories of us playing together as kids?
I have amazing memories of us outside in the snow, making a little hut in the trees, and us having it be like a secret fort.
One time Ashley forced snow in my mouth and I hurt my teeth.
Why?
Oh.
And I
When?
cried.
Wait, is it because I told you if you imagine that it tasted like a certain flavor, it would taste like raspberries?
It was
Or
grape.
it was grape.
You shoved the snow in my mouth and I cried.
Sledding with Andrew in the backyard because we have a back deck, so we'd slide down the stairs into like the entire backyard. And
I broke the fence. I
yeah,
went through
we
the
slammed
fence.
into the fence. I also remember there was one day where it was raining and we still had our tree house or like our playhouse.
Oh my god, and we had
And
hot cocoa in
We
there.
had
in
hot
Dixie
cocoa.
cups.
Yes, with the neighbors. We all had a little
The freaking
raining
neighbors.
like. Hey Andrew, can we put your hair up so that we can actually see your face? I like this one. I like this one.
Oh my goodness! Hello, my handsome. Hi, Mr. Sweetie. Amber, you
I
literally
just
just
sat
sat
on
on me.
Do you feel like you can see now?
Yeah, his third eye is like visible now.
It's like-
Bubby is literally our director. What do we each look for in a partner, in a significant other?
Hamburger.
I look for Charles. What do you look for?
I look for cheeseburger.
What about you, Andrew?
lot of hair.
A lot of hair.
Are you talking about
Likes
Bubby?
tummy scratches.
Like
That's
tummy
Bubby.
scratches. It's Bubby.
What was your sub order?
I feel a cheesesteak
That was my old order.
with banana pepper.
Mine used to be teriyaki chicken. Stop.
Who puts that in a sauce?
I don't know.
But then a
Well,
sub.
actually, so when I was really little, I saw a boy in front of me order it, and then I was like,
And you thought the boy was cute, so you were trying to flirt with him.
no, I just wanted to try the teriyaki
Yeah,
chicken.
okay. No one just orders a teriyaki chicken sandwich.
Well, now I get the veggie delight with sweet onion dressing. I put on as many vegetables as I want with like just like the regular whole wheat bread or Italian bread, and it's so good.
Good question. If we were to redo the order of our birth, what would we do? Like, would you want to be the oldest?
I think you would have to stay the middle child and just me and Andrew switch.
I don't even think
I
so.
wouldn't want to be the older child.
Why?
Yeah, I kind of like letting Ashley take all the hits for everything.
Well, one of you guys has to switch with me.
The bread.
Get that bread, get that head, that leaf.
Hey Amber,
Yes?
what's your favorite part of California?
Oh my god, I thought you'd never ask. I
The weather. I love the weather.
love the weather. No, for real.
The ocean.
I like the proximity to everything in my area. Orange County, you're close to the beach, you're close to LA, you have a bunch of food there.
What's your guys' favorite artist to listen to?
Everyone knows this.
Alex G.
Andrew's is Mac Miller.
Oh.
it is.
Yeah!
I
Mine's
like
probably,
forgot. I was like,
Yeah.
it's not Frank.
Mine's Frank, probably.
Hey Frank, oh Frank.
Or I like a bunch of other ones.
Oh, really good answer, Ashley.
Tame Impala. She loves Tame Impala.
Yeah.
My top artists are Alex G and The Cure, I would say. PB&J, grape or strawberry jelly?
Grape.
Grape.
What's your favorite
What
chip
was
flavor?
everyone's chip of choice as a child?
I think I was like a Doritos kid.
Oh my god, wait.
Purple Doritos.
No, I
You're
didn't
purple?
eat purple at the time.
What color
I
did
only
you
had
eat?
red. I had like
Okay.
just nacho cheese.
You were-
I love
wait.
honey mustard pretzels.
Wait, can I just say something? You were the purple Doritos, you were red Doritos, I was blue Doritos.
You're a
Wow.
They wrapped to vomit like blue Doritos.
Dude,
I'm so
I
a
like
lot of
blue
people know
Doritos.
that those are actually
no, I
bomb
can't do it.
AF.
They
I
were
can't
pretty
do it.
good. I like all flavors really.
I liked
but
all
If I had to
flavors.
choose one at this time, it would be purple.
What are flavor combinations that are unique to the Alexander household?
Well, I like pretzels and juice.
That's actually such a good answer, except that's
But
like in
I
everyone's
don't
house.
eat that. What are you
You
talking
eat
about?
the pretzel and then you have juice and then it like the pretzel. Oh my god.
A lot of people in our family like soggy cereal. Not
No.
me.
I like
Me, Andrew,
soggy.
and Dad do, I thought.
Super soggy.
You would put it in the microwave to make it more
and
soggy.
then I'd put it in the freezer because I needed it to be cold, and then it wouldn't get cold in time, and I would get mad.
Ketchup and honey.
I was gonna say that one.
Oh, that one's good. Glizzies.
I wish I
so
could
good.
eat those like weird AF Pillsbury like toaster strudels that taste like acid. I wish I could eat one.
I like it.
I like them. I used to eat one for breakfast every morning.
I never put the frosting on it until like a few weeks ago, and I was like, "This is so much better." I used to only
Why
eat the
wouldn't
filling.
you put the frosting on
Because I
it?
hated frosting as a kid.
Andrew says it's too sweet and then bites into a freaking huge 1 pound roll of all the different fruit roll-ups and like
Fruit
eats
roll-ups filled with gushers, and he'd be like, "Nyang."
it. Yeah.
I finished that.
Yeah, I know. That's
It
so
was like
nasty.
2 boxes worth of things pressed together.
I ate most of the gushers on the inside though for him.
Wait, we have an extra box still though.
Fruit by the foot,
Take another bite of it.
fruit roll-ups, gushers. Wow, I'm not even enjoying that.
It's just so much sugar. Where do y'all get your meme references?
I get
Fine.
mine only from Andrew.
Yeah, me too.
I literally have no idea what's going on ever except for.
I don't even know where I get mine.
Gamers.
If we were to ever go to Korea, what do we think it would be like?
I
Like,
think
what
you
that
would
would
be
get bullied.
amazing. What's everyone's favorite plant? Like house plant. It could be like even a
Cactus. I
vegetable.
like trying to touch them.
Ah, succulents are beautiful. I,
I like
think.
trying to touch cactus.
Or I just love like strawberry plants or blueberry plants.
Catnip for my cat. Amber snuck into my room the other night to steal melatonin gummies, and I caught her.
They're my gummies that you stole from my room.
You said I could have them. Alright,
Come
what?
Power
on.
nuts.
Power nuts.
Andrew, no. Use
Stop
some
it.
coordination. Ow. It actually is
Okay.
working. It's working. It's working.
Actually, you gotta cross your wrists though. Andrew, remember the one time we actually made a
Sorry.
handshake for the video?
Yeah, I forgot it.
I also forgot it. Smiley!
We missed the knuckle.
Andrew's jealous of us because we can do this so well. And I don't even love him as a brother. What do you guys think is our best family/sibling memory together?
Every Nantucket vlog.
My favorite memory is there was one specific trip to Nantucket one year where it was like so much fun for no reason. We were with my friend.
Oh
and
my
her
God.
cousin.
Yes.
That summer was the best
It was
trip.
the best trip.
We got,
It was before we did
Oh.
YouTube.
yeah, it was like many years ago.
Yeah.
But we came up with these like terms. We were like, oh, we're gonna get wrecked at the beach. And
Because
that's
it was like stormy and,
And
it
stormy
was
and the
cold
waves were,
and
like,
the waves
insane.
were huge.
and we kept getting wrecked, like washed up on
We had
shore.
like these full,
oh my
like
God.
a full bed floaty, and we would like go on them and like get
So
fully just like
fun.
pummeled by the waves.
We just
and
got
it was
beat
so
up.
fun.
There were lobsters. You didn't see them?
There were no
In the
lobsters in
ocean?
the ocean,
They were like, they looked like mini lobsters.
like horseshoe crabs.
What are you talking
No, I think those are
about?
no Nantucket this year though, guys, because of all the crazy stuff in the world.
The
right now.
pandemic.
The pandemic.
Yeah, that's sad though, because those videos were some of the best ones on Ashley's
Yeah.
channel every year.
But then I think next year our vlog is gonna be like amazing.
Just
Yeah,
charse.
we're gonna go extra hard. Anyways, I believe that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks so much to everyone for submitting their questions. I had a blast answering them.
Me as
Truly
well.
a good sibling bonding experience. Let us know if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.